Alright, this is a second shop dumpling place that I want you guys to check it out. We're on Corky Lee Way, and this is where all the tourists and the tour guide take their customer and try out the dumpling place, pan fried dumpling. Everything is all under $5. So the pineapple was $2.40, and let's see how much a dumpling place costs here. I'm gonna order it and take all my food and sit down and eat. Oh, can I get a small order of dumpling? Yeah. Thank you. Alright guys, next up is the fried dumpling on that street. I forgot the name of it. For 13 for $5. I put a little hot sauce and a little soy sauce, and let me bite into it. You got the fried dumpling. It's good. It's a nice place to try. You got all the tourists going there trying it. Yeah, I don't mind trying it. I taste more of the dough, but I do taste the meat, the pork inside of the fried dumpling.
Why would you do that? That's me. I can get it.
Is it worth it?
Yeah.
It's worth it to try $5. So I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. If you're around the area, you're going to Chinatown, you want to check out places to eat or try snacks and fruit, the pineapple pork bun and the dumpling place. Everything all under $5. So I hope you like my video, subscribe, enjoy, and I'm gonna finish this. Thank you. Bye.